Hello, today I'm going to show you how to find a clipboard on an Android phone. Let's start. In order to find the clipboard, you need an empty text box. So I'm showing you by email. You can open a notepad or whatever you like. The first thing you need to do is simply tap in an empty text box to bring up the keyboard. After that, you need to type something. Then tap on this arrow right above the Q key. Here you'll find the clipboard. Tap on it and you'll find all the text that you have copied previously. Just tap on the text that you want to use. Tap on this settings icon. Here you can see different clipboard settings. Here you can also delete the text that you don't want to use. Once you're done deleting them, tap on Add a new clip. Name this clip and tap on Save. It will be saved in your clipboard. Once you are done, close it and go to the same text box where you are typing. Here you can paste your desired text from the text box. So this is how you can find a clipboard on an Android phone. Give this video a huge like and subscribe to get more helpful videos like this. And explain me how we're solving new problems every day.